Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Ant Audio Wave Sports True Wireless 750 earphones. These earphones have touch control, as you can see here. They're also true wireless stereo earphones, and here you can see there's a bunch of specs. It has Bluetooth version 5.0, the approx battery life is 4 hours, and also it has a range of 10 meters, which is 33 feet. So on the back here, you have a bunch of information that we don't really need to look at right now. So let's get right into opening these up. So we have opened the top, and if you look inside, we have the box, and that's it. So we have the box right here. Let's open it up, and it is covered with some sponge for protection. And yeah, let's just set this aside. Here you have the user manual and the warranty card, and inside here you have an Ant Audio card. It's a welcome letter. So in this box, first of all, you have a two pairs of extra silicone buds. So it looks like there's a small and a large right here. You also have a micro USB charging cable to charge your earphones with, the charging case. It looks like a pretty standard cable, rubber wires. This right here is the charging case, and it has a QR sticker on top, which if you scan it can tell you how to pair these earphones with your phone. But we'll get into that later. Here you can see the actual earbuds. They're true wireless earbuds. They have an elongated shape, oval shape, and the ear tips are angled at 45 degrees, so they should be pretty comfortable to wear. Also, now let's look at the charging case itself. So once you open this up, you can see that there are a few golden tips here, magnetic tips here to fit your earphones with. And at the back, you can see here's the micro USB charging port. So these earphones have IPX5 water resistant rating. They also have touch controls, as we'll let you know before, and they also have a range of 33 feet. The earbuds itself have a battery life of about 4 hours, while the total battery life with the charging case is about 12 to 14 hours. So all in all, these look like quite an aesthetic pair of earphones by Ant Audio. They have all the right features. They're predominantly plastic, but they still feel pretty premium. And yes, that's all guys. This was our unboxing for the Ant Audio Wave Sports 750 True Wireless earphones. Thank you so much for watching this content.